Hello guys, can you all hear me and see me? A very warm welcome to all of you. I hope everybody is doing great. So today we are finally here at the session which everybody wanted. We are going to learn about the Wavy Curve Method. So guys, buckle up because it is going to be an amazing and awesome session which will benefit each and every one of you who is attending it. Hi Abhishek, hi Bharani, hi Veer, welcome guys. So are you all excited? Can I see some thumbs up in the chat? Quickly guys, I want everybody to give me a thumbs up right now before we get into this super duper session which will be so useful and important for your JEE Mains. Yes Abhishek, I am in Chennai. Very good guys. Amazing. Satyam is also here, Shreya is here. Ravindra, welcome man. Weather in Chennai is very good. Hi Rakesh, Science Priya, Uncharted, Sakshi. Very good. Amazing guys. Shruti, Shara, so nice to see everybody here. So shall we begin? Yes Abhishek, why not man? Shall we get started? So guys, this is the first slide. I would like to introduce myself to all of you who are here for the first time guys. My name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher here at Vedantu. I've been teaching for almost 7 years now, mentoring more than 10,000 plus amazing students like all of you. And when I was like you guys a few years back, I too prepared for exams like JEE Mains, KVPY, and I cleared all of them. When I wrote JEE Mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu, and now here I am to help you guys reach that goal of yours. So if you guys want to be close to me, if you want to ask me your personal doubts, you can reach out to me in my Instagram handle, Shimon_Joseph. That's it. So you can message me. I respond to almost every single person, and that can be a good long-term relationship. I can guide you till you write your JEE Mains. Okay? So with that, let's get started people. The first and the most important thing which I want to tell you all is to like, share and subscribe to our channel because this is a new channel and we would love your support, your sharing and caring. That is very important guys. So please do spread the word. Let people know that this channel is here and we are teaching you some really cool stuff. So they will be benefited, your friends, your cousins, whoever is preparing for JEE. Okay? So definitely do that. And thank you Sujit. Okay, Misha. Yes, today we have another awesome session because today is Sunday and Sundays are always special in JEE Enthuse channel because today we'll be looking at KVPY strategy, how to prepare for SA, how to prepare for SX and all that. Okay, so definitely do attend it at 9 PM today. So 9 PM today we have a KVPY discussion session and it will be really useful for those who are writing it this coming Jan. Okay, so shall we begin guys? So this is the first topic for today. I'm gonna talk about what is inequality. So inequality, as the name suggests, it is anything other than an equation. So when you have an equation, you have a LHS and you have a RHS and you have equality in between. But inequality means you do not have equality but you have something else. You can have not equal to, you can have greater than equal to, you can have less than equal to, you can have greater than, or you can have less than. So these are some of the inequalities which we will encounter in our JEE preparation. But what am I going to teach you? I am going to teach you these 4 inequalities. Okay, I am going to teach you these 4 inequalities. And what are we going to do? We are not going to do linear inequalities because that you guys have studied in your lower classes. If you pass 10th standard, you must be knowing that very well. So I'm not going to teach you linear inequalities. Rather, I'm going to take it to the next level, wherein I give you very complicated looking expressions which you feel you cannot solve no matter what. But such complicated stuff, I will teach you how to solve it in less than 30 seconds. And trust me guys, 30 seconds is all that you need if you learn this method properly. Isn't that amazing? It reduces your time like anything. A very complicated looking inequality which is super important in chapters like logarithms, in chapters like application of derivatives, and in chapters like integration. All that can be done very quickly using this method over here. So what is so special about it? How do we do it? All that I'm going to discuss to you in a step-by-step manner so you guys can make note of it. And you know what? The best part is I will be sharing the session PDF in the Telegram group. So if you guys are not part of the Telegram group, please do so. I will give you the link at the end of the session. So you guys can click on that link, join the Telegram group so that you will have the step-by-step discussion as a PDF format. Because no book talks about it in detail and no book talks about it in a very crisp manner. So this is going to be very important. Are you all ready for it? Yes, everybody? Superb. Superb. So let's get started. Like I said, what are A and B here? A and B are any value or it can be an expression. I'm sure everybody knows what is an algebraic expression. It is nothing but a collection of terms with addition or subtraction in between them. As simple as that. That is what you call as an expression. So A and B can be anything of that sort. Got it? Now, what is your wavy curve? What is your wavy curve and why do we use it? So that is exactly what I'm going to show you. Wavy curve, as the name suggests, it is a curve which appears to be in a wave form. So as you guys can see, it appears to be in a wave form. It is not necessary for it to be alternatively plus and minus. This is just an example. It is not necessary for it to be alternatively plus and minus. The plus and minus is used to indicate the sign of the expression. For example, if I'm asking you to solve f of x is greater than 0 and you get the wavy curve like this, then the answer for this would be this region, this region, this region and this region. So that is why these sign conventions are very important. Are you all clear with it? So that is how you choose the answer region from a given wavy curve. This is just a rough figure. I'm just explaining to you what this plus and minus means. So if I'm solving for f of x greater than 0 and if I end up with a wavy curve like this, then that means my solution region is going to be this, this, this and this. Are you all clear with it? Very simple. Now let's look at the step-by-step approach. But before we go there, I don't want to rush into it. Rather, I want you guys to get a feel of it. I want you guys to understand why wavy curve is important, why wavy curve is fast, why do I keep talking about it in my sessions. Let's try to have a look at that before we move into the next portion. So first of all, what is the wavy curve method? It is an easy method. It is an easy method to find the interval of solution for an inequality. Atharva, I will explain it in detail. So what is the wavy curve method? Can you guys read that out together? It is a very easy method used to find the interval of solution for an inequality. For example, I'm sure everybody has studied this in your lower classes. You might have studied this. X minus 1 is less than 0. Do you all know how to solve it? Do you all know how to solve it? What is the answer? The answer is x less than 1. Sir, so easy it is. Laddu. Are you all getting it? But this is called as a linear inequality, which everybody knows because we have done it in lower classes. But what I'm going to teach you is not linear inequality. Rather, I'm going to go to higher level. So let me give you a very small example. If I just slightly twist the question in this manner, how will you do it? If you do not know wavy curve, what will you do? It is solvable, guys. Don't tell me it is not solvable. That is absolutely wrong. That means you're not paying attention. If x minus 1 into x minus 2 is less than 0, it is still solvable without wavy curve. So how do you do that? X belongs to 1 to 2. Achyut is absolutely right. Misha is absolutely right. Kirito, no Kirito, that's not how you do it. So guys, let's try to have a look at it and let's try to do it together. Srinivas is also right. But you know what? I'm not going to teach you wavy curve now. Because I told you, how will you do this if you do not know wavy curve? How will you do this if you do not know wavy curve? What will I do? Listen very carefully. So, I want the product of these two should be negative. The product of these two is negative means this can be positive, this can be negative, or this can be negative, this can be positive. Don't you guys agree? Don't you guys agree? Yes? Are you all able to understand that? So these are the only two cases by which the product can be negative. So that's it, do for it, na? So let's take the first case and this is the second case. So first case is what? First case is x minus 1 less than 0. So x is less than 1 and x minus 2 is greater than 0. So x is greater than 2. Is this possible? How can x be less than 1 and x be greater than 2? So this case is not possible. So let's take the other case. What is that? X minus 1 greater than 0 and x minus 2 less than 0. So we will get x is greater than 1 and x is less than 2. So this is possible. So that is why the answer is x belongs to 1 to 2. Did you all understand that? So this is how you do it when you do not know wavy curve. So look at how much work I have to do. Such a simple two-term, two-factor inequality and I have to spend so much hard work just to get at the answer. But if you know wavy curve, this is an oral question. You will not even take your pen. You will just look at the question, laugh at it and tell the answer. That is the power of wavy curve. I want you guys to realize that. So once you guys are clear with that and you realize it, now you will be all the more attentive because you know this is a very powerful tool. Okay? So everybody clear? So shall we move forward, guys? Yes? Brilliant. So let us go forward, and before we see that, I want you guys to make a note of the pro subscription offered by Vedantu. So guys, Vedantu is doing great in the JEE segment. I'm sure you must have seen the results. We have got 547 JEE advanced selections. Isn't that amazing? For an online platform, 547 selections in just the second year of full-time teaching, we have achieved that. So if you guys want to be a part of this journey, definitely have a look at it because we have great teachers who have more than 5+ years experience teaching toppers, available in both Hindi as well as English. And you get the crash course as well. Those who are preparing for 2021, you will get the crash course, KVPY teaching, strategy sessions, lectures by Anand Sir himself. So he will take mentoring sessions for you if you are a part of the pro subscription. So don't miss your chance when you still have it. It is available for a price discount of 20%. Okay, so this is the price discount for 21 batch and we also have for 22 batch and also for the droppers, and you guys have to use this coupon code. Okay, you guys have to use this coupon code. So yeah, let's move forward with that. How is this wavy curve method helpful? Did you guys learn that now? Did you guys learn that now? Are you all clear with how helpful the wavy curve method is? I just explained it to you. So when you have a two-term or a two-factor inequality, if you solve normally, it would take forever. But then if I give you a three-factor one, how much time will it take? See, two-factor one like this. You have to take cases plus, minus, minus, plus and then do it. This is first example. So let me give you another example to give you even more respect for wavy curve. Now after this example, everybody will start respecting wavy curve. So let us say these three factors product is negative. How can that happen? Plus, plus, minus, 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 minus. Then what else can come? Then you can have minus plus plus, then you'll have plus minus plus, isn't it? So these are just some of the cases I've listed down. You have to take all these cases and go through it one by one. Isn't that too complicated? Isn't that too complicated? Are you guys able to understand that? So that is why I keep saying, guys, please note down Wavy Curve method, because with Wavy Curve method, this is a 30-second question. 30 seconds if you are very slow. If you are very fast, you can do it in 10 seconds. Okay? Now do you understand the power of Wavy Curve? Are you guys able to understand it now? Yes? So let us see how to solve this. This question you will solve it in just 10 more minutes. So please wait for it. Please wait for it. I will explain it to you how a Wavy Curve method will work. What are the pluses? How quick you can solve. Everything will be clear in a short while. So let's move forward and look at the procedure to draw the Wavy Curve. Okay. So here we have the procedure. Please have a look at it. Can you guys see what is written here? So let us say you have an inequality like this. This is your left hand side and your right hand side is 0. This is your left hand side and your right hand side is 0. And you can have any one of the inequality. You can have greater than equal to, you can have less than equal to, you can have greater than, or you can have less than as well. So these are the 4 inequality signs which you can have. And now I'm going to teach you what is the first step to do when you start your Wavy Curve method procedure. Okay. So some of you are saying, sir, it is too small. Can you please write it down in a big way? Yes, why not? I will write it down. Please listen carefully. It is x minus a1 to the power p1, x minus a2 to the power p2, and all the way up to x minus ak to the power pk. Divided by, you have x minus b1 to the power q1, x minus b2 to the power q2, and all the way up to x minus bn to the power qn. Now this can have any inequality, less than equal to, greater than equal to 0, less than 0, greater than 0. Got it? So this is exactly what I'm going to teach you. So this is what you'll have. You'll have a variety of factors on the left hand side. So what is the first step? Before you get into solving, you have to understand how we write it. Please note that the coefficient of x in all the factors is positive. Very, very important. You notice the coefficient of x in all the factors. Isn't it positive? So this is very important before we get started, guys. So ensure that, and always keep the right hand side as 0. Before you start using Wavy Curve, you need to ensure that the right hand side is 0 and the left hand side has factors in which all the coefficients of x are positive. All the coefficients of x are positive. This is important. Okay, so here what is P1, P2 till Pk? P1, P2 till Pk are natural numbers which are nothing but the powers of these factors. And you have Q1, Q2, Qn. They are all also the powers of the factors in the denominator. Exactly, exponents. And what are A1, A2, A3 till Ak and B1, B2, B3 till Bk? They are all nothing but the zeros of these factors, and they can be any real numbers. It doesn't matter. Just ensure that they are real numbers. Got it? Are you all clear with it? So shall I get into the steps? Shall I get into the algorithm that you all need to follow? Can you guys give me a thumbs up? Are you all ready? Are you all with me? Yes, everybody? Very good, very good. Perfect, perfect. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So now let us proceed and let's have a look at how to solve Wavy Curve in a step-by-step manner. So this is what I call as the step 0. What is the step 0? Step 0 is ensure that the leading coefficient of x in the simplified expression is positive. So that is why I always make sure the coefficient of x in every factor is positive. This you need to do as step 0 before you even start solving. And ensure that the right hand side is also 0. because only then you can use your wavy curve method, otherwise you cannot. So if something is there on the right hand side, bring it to the left hand side, make it 0 on the right hand side, and then only solve it. Okay? So this is step 1. What is step 1? Mark all the factors, all the zeros of the factors on the number line. So what are all the zeros? The zeros are A1, A2 till AK, B1, B2 till BK, and I will plot them on the number line. So I will draw a number line, I will plot all the points on the number line in an ascending order. Okay? Are you guys clear with it? Very simple, guys. I'll explain with an example. So if I have something like this, let's say I have x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. This is the example which I gave you. So here, what are the zeros of the factors? The zeros of the factors are 1, 2 and 3. So I plot them on the number line. That is your step 1. Step 1 and 2 is this one. Are you all clear with it? Not first numerator, denominator, everything together. For example, if you have x minus, let's say 3 by 2 over here, then you will write 3 by 2 here also. Got it, Kirito? So you will plot all the roots of the left hand side factors on the number line in an ascending order. Are you all clear with it now? Does that make sense? So that is your step 1 and step 2. Critical points means what? The roots of the numerator and the denominator. So you will collect all of them and you will mark them on the number line in an ascending order. I hope that is clear. Nothing great is happening over here. Are you all okay? Yes? Very good. So yeah, with that, let us move forward and look at the next step. The next step is very important. This is the most important step. So I'm going to explain it with the example I gave you. What is the example? I gave you x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 divided by x minus 3 by 2 is greater than or less than 0. So what will I do? I will first do step 1 and step 2. Step 0 is anyway ensured. Why is step 0 correct? Because right hand side is 0 and all the coefficients of x are positive. So step 0 is anyway correct. So I will do step 1 and step 2 now. What is step 1 and step 2? Step 1 and step 2 is find the zeros of the numerator and the denominator. What are the critical points? The critical points are 1, 2, 3 and 3 by 2. So these are the critical points. Critical points are nothing but the zeros of the numerator and zeros of the denominator. So that is exactly what I've got here. Now I will plot them in ascending order. 1, 3 by 2, then you'll have 2, then you'll have 3. So this is your second step. Are you all clear till second step? Are you all clear till second step? Now what does the third step say? Draw a wavy curve. Start from the rightmost top corner. Start from the rightmost top corner and draw a wavy curve to the rightmost point. So rightmost point is 3. So I will stop here. That is what this first point tells. Did you all understand that? That is what this first point tells. Start from the rightmost top corner and draw a wavy curve to the rightmost point. So I draw it till here only. Are you all clear with that? So now what will I do? If the power of the expression of the critical point is even, so in the expression I will see the critical point. It is 3. So I will check this 3. Is the power even or odd? Is the power even or odd? It is odd, 1. So if the power is odd, then the curve travels to the other side, to the opposite side. So here it is positive. Since the power is odd, it will move to the opposite side and come over here. Now I will check at 2. So at 2, the power is again odd. So it will travel to the other side and come to 3. Now I will check at 3 by 2. Again the power is odd. So it will go like this. Again 1, the power is odd. So this will be the wavy curve for this question. That's it. That's it. I hope you guys are all clear. Exactly. Are you all clear with it, guys? So as simple as that, this is what it takes. This is exactly what it takes, but there are a few more good conditions, few more important points to note. I will talk to you guys about it as we proceed. So make sure you guys stay till the end, because guys, I'm going to teach you some important drawbacks, important caution points that you have to keep in mind. Okay? Yes, Bhumina Darshan, that is correct. X cannot be 3 by 2 because the denominator will become 0. I never said x will be equal to 3 by 2. So now, that is what I'll explain in the next step. That is what I will teach in the next step. Please wait for it, Darshan. Okay? How to put that plus or minus sign? Plus is always above the number line. Minus is always below the number line. That's it, you need to. Plus is just above the number line and minus is just below the number line. Got it? And how do we write the solution? That is the next part. That is the step number 4. So they are asking you less than 0. So I should check for this region and this region. So the answer is x belongs to 1, 3 by 2 union 2, 3 with the open bracket. Why do I put open bracket? I put open bracket because it is less than 0. They didn't ask equal to 0. But if they asked equal to 0, then how will the answer change? It will become 1, 3 by 2, 1 square bracket closed, union 2, 3, 2, 3 square bracket closed. Now everybody will ask me, sir, if equality is there, why did you put open bracket here? Because 3 by 2 is root of the denominator. Roots of the denominator will never be included in the solution, no matter what. No matter what. So even if they ask equality, you cannot include 3 by 2 because 3 by 2 is root of the denominator. Are you guys clear? Did you guys understand it? Yeah? I hope everybody is clear with it. So I will show you step number 4 and 5. I've already explained it over here. If the power is even, then what will happen? I will show you some example. It will jump back to the same side. Saurabh, I will show you examples. Wait for it. So this is step 4 and step 5. Go through it and you guys tell me whether you are able to follow. Okay, so I have explained everything in a very beautiful, simple, understandable by everyone kind of language. Okay, so definitely be a part of our Telegram group, download the session PDF and keep it as a very, very important formula book. Okay, are you all clear? Exactly, Satyam. Explain step number 4. So step number 4 here you have, see, Barney, like I said, I was solving in the previous example for less than 0, no? So if it is less than 0, Barney, you have to take the region where the sign of the wavy curve is negative. So that is what they are saying. If expression is greater than 0, then take the positive sign. If the expression in the question inequality is negative sign and less than 0, then you go for the negative sign. What do I mean by that? So Barney, if you have a wavy curve like this, let's say it starts like this and goes like this. So you have plus, plus, minus, minus, plus. So let us say our question is f of x less than 0. So that means this expression, the inequality sign is less than. So that time what you will choose is, you will choose this region and you will choose this region. So that is what they are trying to say. Okay? Are you guys clear? Everybody? Did you understand that, Mohammed? And if they ask greater than 0, Barney, if they ask greater than 0, you will choose the positive region. That is exactly what step 4 says. Step 5, what it says is, whenever you have equality, you have to put a square bracket. So for example, if you have x minus 1 into x minus 2, is less than equal to 0. How will you draw it? You will plot 1 and 2. You will draw the wavy curve. You will put plus minus plus. You want less than equal to 0. So it's a negative region. So the answer is x belongs to 1, 2. But what bracket you will put? What bracket you will put? It is going to be square bracket. Why square bracket? Because equality is asked. Whenever equality is asked, 1 and 2 are also included. Because 1 and 2 are the roots in the numerator. Roots in the numerator will be included when you have equality. So since it is equality and since 1 and 2 are in the numerator, this will be the answer. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Misha, are you able to understand? Perfect. So yeah, let's go forward to the next one, wherein I have an example. Everybody start solving. Now we have questions. We have questions after questions after questions. So make sure everybody tries to solve and everybody tries to get it correct as well. Please do it, guys. Everybody. When you have two solutions which are separated, then you combine it by union, Mohammed Abdullah. Because union is an operation which helps us to combine set. So when you have this set and a separate set, you can combine it by union. Bhargav, where Bhargav? In this channel you mean? In this channel we'll start JEE Advanced, but a bit later, man, because your JEE Mains is coming, na? First we have to prepare for that. Okay. So guys, how will we solve this question? Did you all do it? No guys, everybody is wrong. Everybody is wrong. Kirito is correct. But Kirito also not completely correct, because the bracket you used is not right. Jumana is absolutely right. Jumana has got exactly what I told today. Jumana has completely understood what I taught today. Very good, Jumana. I am so happy. Uncharted is also right. Exactly, Kirito. Okay, so let me explain it. Guys, I want you to pay attention. I want everybody to pay attention. Hi Archana, welcome. We are doing the Wavy Curve method. So definitely do watch it again if you have the time, because it is going to be super helpful for you. Okay. So guys, please listen carefully. What is step 0? Step 0 is coefficient of x is positive. Got it? I saw that. And then right hand side is 0. Is it correct? Yes. So step 0 is done. Now what is step 1? Step 1 is find the critical points. So the critical points are 1 and minus 4. Now step 2 is plot them on the number line, which is minus 4 and 1. Now what is step 3? Start from the right side top corner, come to the rightmost critical point. Now what is the power? It is 1, so change it. What is the power here? Again 1, odd power, so change it. So whatever is above the number line is plus, below the number line is minus. So what do we want? We want greater than. Look at that. They ask greater than, that means positive. So that means this region as well as this region, which is going to be minus infinity comma minus 4 and 1 comma infinity. Now we have two set, so I will combine it with the union. Infinity can never be reached, so open bracket. Infinity can never be reached, so open bracket. But what about minus 4 and 1? Since it is equal to 0 also present, and 1 and minus 4 are roots of the numerator, I will include them. I will include them with a square bracket. Did you guys like it? Amazing. Yeah? Open bracket means up to that value but not that value, Kashish. Kirito, did you understand it? Kashish, infinity can never be in square bracket because infinity can never be reached. Okay? So Kirito wants me to explain all the brackets. I hope you guys are all clear. Yes, Satyam, that is also a correct way of writing it. So guys, I hope everybody is clear. Can you all give me a thumbs up? I want to know how many people are with me, how many people are able to enjoy and understand the session. If you guys have any questions for me, please do let me know. Veer, we have lots of examples, Veer. So please do wait for it. I will talk about everything in detail. Everybody is able to understand it? Very good, guys. Amazing work. That is awesome. So now Kirito wants me to explain, sir, what is this bracket? What is this bracket? And what is this bracket? Can you please explain it? Okay. So all of them are used in set. Okay. So let us say an example 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So what this means is, Kirito, it starts from 2 up to 3, all values except 2 and 3. So that means it starts from 2.0000000, infinite zeros and 1. You understand? It starts slightly to the right side of 2. It starts slightly to the right side of 2 and ends at 2.99999 and keep on going like that. So it takes all values from here to there. Understood? But this one starts exactly from 2 and goes up to 3. What is this one? This is only 2 and 3. Only 3 only. Only 2 values. How many numbers are here? Infinitely many. How many numbers are here? Infinitely many. How many numbers are here? 2. Got it? So here only 2 numbers are there. Here infinitely many numbers. Here also infinitely many numbers. But here what can you say? You can say that 2 and 3 are included. Here what can you say? 2 and 3 are not included. So you can say this is equivalent to 2, 3 union 2, 3. Do you guys understand that? Did you understand it now? Are you guys able to follow that? Exactly. Open bracket means without including these two endpoints. Close bracket means including them. And please, whenever you have minus infinity or plus infinity, please don't put this. Please don't put square brackets here, because that will make any maths person take it as a joke. Okay? So if you do that, it clearly shows that you don't know how to do the bracket stuff in maths. Okay? Are you guys clear with it? Exactly. Why we can't do this? Because infinity is just a symbol, guys. Infinity is just a symbol. You don't know what its value is. You can never reach it. You can never reach it. So that is why we put always open bracket when we have infinity. When we have infinity, we always put open bracket. We never put close bracket. Got it? Brilliant, brilliant. So yeah, with that, let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead. I've attached the solutions also so that you guys can study on your own. And now someone asked, Veer was asking, sir, can you give me an example where even power is present? You have it here. So try it. I'll give you 2 minutes time and then I will discuss it for you. Okay? Exactly, Kirito, you are right. Infinity minus infinity is not 0. Okay? Because infinity is not a number. It is a symbol. It is a symbol used to represent the greatest possible value which nobody knows. Misha Bharti, I'll come to that. You're asking a very, very good question. You're asking a very, very good question. I'll come to that. Give me some time. Hi Shreyas, welcome man. Of course, I do recognize you. So Emin Joy says minus infinity to 3. Bhumina Darshan says minus infinity to 3. Bhumina Darshan, just now I told you what kind of bracket you are using. Check that. What kind of bracket you are using. Okay, don't make that mistake again. So guys, let's try to solve it. Hi Clasher, welcome man. So nice to see you here. So guys, let's get started. Let's see how to solve this question. Okay? Okay Darshan, good. So first of all, step 0. The coefficient of x in both of them is positive. Done. Right side is 0. Very good. I'm happy. Now step 0 is over. Step 1, find the critical points. The critical points are -2 and 3. Now, step 2, draw them on the number line. So, on the number line, I'll plot -2 and 3. Step 3, start from the right side topmost corner, come to 3, and at 3 the power is odd, so go down, and at 2 the power is even, so come back to the same side. Because when the power is even, you don't go to the other side, you come back to the same side. Now we want less than 0. So less than or equal to 0 means this region fully. So it is -infinity to -2, and I'll take union -2 to 3. So this can combinedly be written as -infinity to 3 like this. So this is your final answer. I hope you guys have got it. I hope you guys have got it. Are you all clear? Did you understand it, Veer Shah? Veer Shah was the one who asked how to do when you have even power. Did you guys like it now? So now you guys will be super amazing at Wavy Curve method. Nobody will ever make a mistake. That's it, you guys got it. There are a few more points which I have to teach you all. So I will go through those important points, and once we are done with that, you will be able to crack any question of Wavy Curve. Okay? Yes, Achyut. Yes. Definitely, Archana. Archana, what we do is, first of all, in all the factors, you have to check whether the coefficient of x is positive. That is step 0. And the right hand side should be 0. Okay. Now step 1 is find the critical points. Critical points are the zeros of the numerator as well as denominator if you have. So here the root of numerator is what? -2, and for this it will be 3. So those critical points, you have to plot them in the number line in an ascending order. So I have done that. Now when you do that, start from the right side top corner, that is step 3. Start from the right hand side top corner, come to the critical point which is 3 and check its power. If the power is odd, come to the other side and check the power again at 2. The power is even, come back to the same side. So this is minus, minus and plus. Why? Because above the number line is positive, below the number line is negative. So since we are looking at less than 0, I will take the negative region. So that will be the solution. Why did I include 2? And why did I include 3? Because equality is asked. If equality was not there, I would have put open bracket. Understood? As simple as that. That is how easy your wavy curve method is. Okay? Are you guys clear? Perfect. Let's move forward now. Let's look at many examples. I have a lot of catches also for you. So please try this out. Do you guys think you would have solved this before this class? Do you guys think you would have been able to solve this question which looks so complicated? Look at it. You have power 5, you have x square minus 4. So how do you think you would have done it if you did not know wavy curve? But with wavy curve, guys, with wavy curve, I would have done this in just 15 seconds. I can do this question in 15 seconds with the speed with which any normal person would do. 15 seconds, you solve such a big inequality. That is the power. I want you guys to feel that. I want you guys to, appreciate it. So amazing it is. Okay. Ankit, currently no man. Definitely I'll do one maybe later on. Right now, JEE Enthuse is my channel and I want to do a very good job here. So definitely I will help you guys with your foundation also. But right now the focus is on JEE Mains. Okay. So Wazim sir, Shreyas sir and myself, all three of us will be working here together to help you guys reach your target in JEE Mains. Achyut, yes man, I will maybe take it up in the next year because we have a lot of teachers and we do have a lot of batches as well. So I was not able to take it. Maybe next year I'll see. Okay, so shall we solve it, guys? Uncharted, can you please send it again? Combined answer is confusing. Don't worry, Mohammed, I will help you. So guys, I'm not very sure about the answer. So once I solve it, you all can tell me what is the correct one. So first of all, did you guys do this? If you did not do this, then you're most probably wrong, because first you should write it as, did you do this? Did you all do this? Yes? This is the first step. If everybody got this correct, then most probably you have got the answer. So now I will use step 0. What is step 0? Step 0 is coefficient of x in all of them is positive. Very good. Very good. Then right hand side is 0. So step 0 is done. So once step 0 is done, I will go to step 1. What is step 1? Write the critical points. What are they? 2, -2, -3, 0. Did you write this correctly? Everybody? Now step 2. Draw the number line and plot the critical points in ascending order. In ascending order, if I plot it, it looks like this. Now what will I do? I will start from my rightmost top corner and draw the wavy curve. Power of 0 is 1. I'm sorry, power of 2, right? Power of 2 is 1. And power of 0 is also 1. Power of -2 is also 1. But power of -3 is odd. Odd means again it will change. So this is how it will look like. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And what do we want? We want greater than 0. So what will be the answer? This region plus this region plus this region. When I say plus, you need to make union. So it is going to be -infinity, -3, and then -2, what is that? 0, right? 0. And then you have -2, +2, infinity. And all of them are open bracket. Why open bracket? Because equality is not asked. You see here, equality is not there, only greater than. So no close bracket, all open bracket with a union sign. So this is my answer. If anybody got it correct, you are absolutely awesome. How to combine with a union, Mohammed? Very good, Emin Joy is absolutely right. Very good. So you will combine it with the union, Abdullah. Understood? Very good, Archana. That is amazing. Very good, Darshan. Are you all clear with it, guys? So, Mohammed, I first figure out the regions, Mohammed. Here it is positive, here it is positive, here it is positive. So just write down -infinity to -3, -2 to 0, 2 to infinity. So that's what I wrote. Then what brackets you will put? All open bracket, because equality is not asked. Then how do you combine them? With a union. That's it. Put a simple U. U is for union, to combine set. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Yes. You can write 2 unions, man. There's nothing wrong with that. Perfect. Are you guys clear with it? So Bharani is asking, sir, can you use 2 unions in a single answer? You can use how many ever unions you want. Okay, when you combine. So these are some of the points to remember, guys. These are some very good pointers. So please make a note of it. I think it's better we spend some time on this. So the inequality having expressions on both sides. So for example, so if you have x square plus 5x plus 6 is greater than or equal to, let's say, 3x plus 5. So what will you do? So if you have an inequality like this, you have to bring this to the left hand side. So you will get x square plus 2x plus 1 is greater than 0. And then you solve it. Did you all understand it? So this is the way you do it. Whenever you have expressions on both the sides, bring one expression to the left hand side and make it 0 on the right hand side. And then you can solve it by using the wavy curve method. Are you all clear with it? So that's the first one. Don't directly do it. That is absolutely wrong. The second one is when you have a rational expression. Rational expression means both numerator and denominator you will have something. For example, you will have x minus 2 into x minus 3 by x minus 1. So when you get the solution set for this, never include 1 in the answer, because 1 is in the denominator, and even if I ask you equality, please don't include 1, because 1 is in the denominator and it cannot be there in the solution, because maths, we don't allow denominators to become 0. Got it? Are you all clear? The third one is very nice, very, very nice property. So for example, if I give you x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3, you guys would have done this very easily. But now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put a modulus here. Now it gets tricky. Sir, in wavy curve you didn't teach modulus at all. Now how will I handle that? Modulus is similar to even power. So if you are getting confused with modulus, what you can do is, you can remove this modulus and rewrite the question as, that's it. Both of them will give you the same answer. Because modulus also makes it positive, just like an even power. An even power will make this term be positive, just like the way we do modulus. Are you all clear? So if I had a modulus here, the way I do this question would be, I'll draw the number line 1, 2, 3, and I start from the right hand side, come to 2, and again go down, and then it will come up. Do you guys get that? This is how the wavy curve will look like. Oh, how did it go off? Okay, it went off. Let me just do it again. So if you have x minus 1 into modulus of x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0, so the wavy curve will be 1, 2 and 3. It will look like this is what I'm saying. Are you all clear? Brilliant, na? So yeah, these are the important points, and the next one which I didn't mention here, you can take it as the next point, very important one, which Satyam was asking, Misha Bharti was asking. Sir, what if I have a complex root? Sir, what if I have a complex root? This one has root as 1, this one has root as 2, but this one, sir, it has roots as plus I and minus I. So how do I do this question? Erase it and just solve for this. Why, sir? What are you saying? Are you even understanding what I'm asking? Because guys, this is always positive. X square plus 1 is always positive. Why is it always positive? Because when you say x is a real number, x square plus 1 is always greater than or equal to 1. So whenever something is always positive, just forget it, because it will never affect the inequality. It will never affect the inequality. Okay? Did you all understand it? But the next question might be, sir, what if it is like this? Again, should I just directly neglect it? No. If you do that, you will get a 0. Don't do that. What you will do is, you will make it plus, take a minus outside, then forget about this. Then this minus is there, na? With that, you change the sign of the inequality. So this minus, if I take it out to the other side, the sign of the inequality will reverse. Now you will solve for this. This is the way to do it. Are you all clear? Are you all clear now? All the points I have covered, guys, this is all about wavy curve. That's it. Nothing more. Nothing more. So Jumana is asking, sir, what about x square minus 2? Come on, Jumana, x square minus 2 can be factorized. X square minus 2 can be factorized. Okay. So here you will not do that, Jumana. So if it is like this, what I'll do is, I'll do x minus root 2 into x plus root 2, which is a real number. So as long as it's real number, I am happy with it, Jumana. So how do you plot it? You plot the number line, you mark the roots, which is nothing but minus root 2, 1, root 2, 2, and you start from the right hand side corner. Go like this, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So since it's greater than 0, the answer will be minus infinity to root 2. and then you have union 1 comma root 2 union 2 comma infinity. That's it, over. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Are you clear with it, Jomana? Okay. What about x square plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 2? I told you now, Venisha, just forget x square plus 1. Because x square plus 1 is always positive. X square plus 1 is always positive, and whenever it is always positive, it does not affect the inequality. So yeah, let's get going, guys. Please solve it. Please solve it. Smaller than 0, just take the negative region. See, the solving remains the same, Venisha. The solving remains the same. I'm just telling ignore the x square plus 1. Sir, why can't we take intersection in the place of union? Intersection, how can it be possible? Because they are different set, we are combining them to find the common solution. If they are different sets, always the intersection will be 0, null set. Getting it? Shreya. Fractional powers, right now don't worry about it, guys. Okay? Don't worry about fractional powers. We will use this only for powers which are natural numbers. Got it? Guys, what are you all doing? Are you guys doing it? Are you all solving it? Let's try to look at how to do this question. So first I'll bring it to the left hand side. So it will become 2x cube plus 4x square plus 2x is less than 0. Then I'll take 2x common. So I'll get x square plus 2x plus 1 is less than 0. Then I'll get 2 into x plus 1 the whole square is less than 0. So 2 is a constant, forget about it. Anything positive, constant, forget about it. Don't have it. It will unnecessarily take space. So now, what are the critical points? First step 0, positive, positive, 0. Step 0 is done. Step 1 is critical points. What are the critical points? 0 and minus 1. So plot 0 and minus 1 on the number line. Start from the right hand side top corner. Come to 0. The power of 0 is 1. So come here. Power of 1 is negative. Power of 1 is even. So come back to the same negative side. So this is your answer. We want less than 0. So the answer is minus infinity to minus 1. Union minus 1 to 0. And equality is not asked. So it will be open bracket full. So that is the answer for this question. Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear with it? Misha Bharti, that's wrong. See, that is why I told you have to pay attention. Equality is not asked, right? So you can't combine it fully. You have to break at minus 1. Because at minus 1, it will be equal to 0. But equal to 0 is not there. Got it? So that is why you have to check it. You solve for more than 30 seconds. No man, I was explaining it, right? So directly you could have done it once you draw the curve. Okay, so shall we move forward? A and C options are the same. Who is that? Uncharted, I explained it to you. Come on. Minus 1 is not included here. But minus 1 is present in between. So they are not the same. They are not the same. Okay? Perfect. So let's go ahead to the next question. Please do it. Please do it. Why can't it be 3? Where is 3 in the previous question? Mohammed, please let me know. Exactly, Pavani is absolutely right. Advait, very good. That's awesome, man. I'm glad you're learning. So how do you do this question? So let me show you guys how it is done. Please listen carefully. So first of all, here is where the first time we are encountering this. You have to bring this 3 to the left hand side and then put greater than or equal to 0. Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Why can't it be option C? Mohammed? So minus infinity to minus 1, union minus 1 comma 0 and minus infinity to 0. This does not include minus 1. Do you understand that? But this has minus 1 because minus 1 is present in this interval. But if you put minus 1, we got the expression like this, na? Or less than 0, we got it, right? X plus 1 whole square. So this was the question now, Mohammed. So if I put minus 1, it will be 0 here. But we want lesser than 0. So should minus 1 be included? Absolutely not, right? It should not be included. But in this it is included, no? So that is why C is wrong. C is wrong because minus 1 is included. A is correct because minus 1 is not included. Open bracket, no? You only told, you remember, open bracket means not included. So that is why I do it like this. Now what will you do, guys? Take LCM. 2x minus 3 minus 9x plus 15 divided by 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So that will be minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. Multiply by minus. Why? Because the leading coefficient is negative. We have never enclosed it. The leading coefficient is negative. We have never done this. So I have to make it positive. How do I make it positive? Multiply a minus sign. So if I multiply a minus sign, I will get something like this. The sign of the inequality will reverse. So now solve it like normal way. 5 by 3, 12 by 7. Which is greater, guys? 12 by 7 is 1.6, right? 1.66. That is 1. How much? I think that will be greater. So 12 by 7, 5 by 3. And now if I draw the wavy curve, it will look like this. Plus, minus, plus. So we want less than or equal to 0. So it will be 5 by 3 to 12 by 7. 5 by 3 will not be included, but 12 by 7 will be included. Did you all understand that? Did you all understand that? Are you all clear with that? Why is it option C and why is it not B? Yeah? Everybody clear with it? Why are we not dividing by 3? Because we want to have 0 on the right hand side. If you want to have 0 on the right hand side, you have to bring the 3 to the left hand side as minus 3. Got it? Are you all clear with it? Perfect, guys. That's it. Okay. So yeah, with that, I will give you guys a few homework. You guys can try it out. These are the homework questions which I have for you. So I have a modulus question, a tough, complicated looking one. So all this will be available to you as part of the session PDF. If you guys liked it and if you guys enjoyed the session, definitely check out the Pro subscription, because in the Pro subscription we have teachers who have produced all India top ranks. 6, 7, 41, 38, 177. They're all teaching in the Pro subscription in Vedantu. They have 5+ years of teaching toppers experience. They have sessions in Hindi as well as English. You have the crash course, everything put together in one package for a very reasonable price with a 20% discount. If you guys use this coupon code. So definitely make a note of it. SHJ Pro is the name of the coupon code. Use it and get 20% off and enjoy the classes at Vedantu, because we are the pioneers of online education. We were here first back in 2014. So Vedantu has a lot of cool technological features in the platform. You guys can experience it once you come inside. Okay? Thank you, guys. So this is the Telegram group. I'm going to post the session PDF over here. So session PDF, you can check it out maybe once I post it by 4 p.m. Okay, by evening it will be there in the group. So check it out. And as always, definitely like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I hope you guys will definitely spread the word. Do let people know that we had a great session on wavy curve. It will help a lot of students, even the NEET preparing students, because in NEET also this is used. Okay, so with that, shall we conclude our session? Any doubts, guys? Very good. So guys, with that, we will conclude our session. All the very best. Do well. And we will meet again today at 9 p.m. for KVPY session. So KVPY guys, if you have any questions to ask, if you want any good strategy, then do come and meet us at 9 p.m. With that, I'll conclude. Take care. Bye-bye.